In a crowded kitchen, a tired line cook named Kai discovers a second wind when he steps outside for a sunrise jog after a brutal shift. That first mile sparks a quiet fire, and Kai starts tracking tiny daily gains instead of excuses. A nurse's warning about a past scare becomes his reminder that his body deserves care and respect. Months of steady runs, balanced meals, and proper rest reshape his confidence and habits until transformation feels doable. At a charity race, Kai crosses the line with a grin, proof that discipline can rewrite a life.